Hello, you are welcome to New Focused Approach to Mathematics Basic 9. This is the revised edition. And in this video, we want to learn how to solve inequalities and illustrate our answer or solution on a number line and in a Cartesian plane as well. I will take example and we see how we can represent our solution on a number line. Okay, so here we are to solve this equation and illustrate the answer on the number line. So solution, first of all, we can have this expansion done, that is negative 2 times a to give us 16 minus 2x then plus 1. Then we can group like terms. So I have my 3x here. I can move this one to become plus 2x and bring my sign. Then I have my negative 16 plus 1. While this is giving me 5x, this is giving me negative 15. If I divide both sides by 5, okay, then I have my x to be less or equal to negative 3. Now, if that is the case, and we have, let's say 0 here, we can have here to be neg 1, neg 2, neg 3. That's our number line. We can have 1 and 2. Now, according to the answer, x is less than negative 3. And negative 3 is here. And because it's less than, it will go this way. But because it's less or equal to, we'll shade this portion. Then that becomes our x less or equal to negative 3. That's how we represent the information on the Venn diagram. Sorry, on the number line. Let's take another example and see. We want to solve this and illustrate our answer on a number line. And so we multiply through by the LCM since it involves fraction. And so everything by 6. So here by 6 means that 6 can cancel. 3 can divide 6 as 2. So we have 4 into bracket 5 minus x. Then 6 times 3 is 18. Then our sign will come. Then here too we multiply by 6. 2 can divide 6 as 3. And then we get negative 9 into bracket x minus 2. Now we expand and simplify. So we have 20 minus 4x plus 18 greater than negative 9x plus 18. Again, we simplify this. We have negative 4x plus 9x greater than 18 minus 18 minus 20. That is grouping of the like terms. Right. Now, when we have negative 4x plus 9x, we know our answer is going to give us 5x. Then our sign comes. Here, this and this will give us 0, so we have negative 20. If we divide both sides by 5, then we have negative 20 over 5. Therefore, our answer x will be greater than negative 4. So we draw a number line and we need negative 4. So here is 1, 0, maybe 2, then neg 1, neg 2, neg 3, then we can have neg 4. Now our point will be on neg 4, and then because the arrow is going greater than, we move this one towards that, and that becomes x greater than negative 4. And here we don't shade this one because it is without equal to. Okay, so that means negative 4 is not inclusive. Good. Now, in the next example, we want to focus on representing this solution on the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane. So instead of the normal line, I want to draw the graph of this. Now, to solve the equation, let's first find the solution. So we have 2x plus 1 greater, so less than or equal to 5. So making x the subject, we have 5 minus 1. So 2x is less or equals to 4. Our x is less than or equal to 2. That's if you divide both sides by 2. Now, if this happens to be a number line, okay, so the number line we go by this, then we cannot show where the direction is. But because we want to represent this on a Cartesian plane, that is x is less than 2. When you draw a Cartesian plane like this, our s, where do we have our s is equals to 2? First of all, we have to just show where s is equals to 2. And s is equals to 2 will be a line that will go this way, will pass through 2, and go straight. Okay, but we are looking at x is less than or equal to 2, and less than or equal to 2 means that we will have all the points shaded this direction to show that any point you pick here, x will be less than or equal to 2. That is what it means. Now, if the question comes with s is less than 2 and there is no equal to, then this line will be short dash line. It will be short dash line. So it will go like this. Okay. But now that it is inclusive, then we make it solid line. Let's take another example and see. Here we want to find the value of y in this inequality and then represent it graphically. So first of all, we have our 3y plus 3 greater or equal to 7 plus y. So making y the subject, we group like terms. Then we have 7 minus 3. While this is subtracting to give us 2y, this is subtracting to give us 4. And so again, we have y is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so this is y is greater than or equal to 2. So first of all, we will locate y is equal to 2 first, before we locate y is greater than or equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 means the line will come this way and it will pass through that straight line. Use your ruler to draw this straight line. We are talking about greater than 2. That means all the points here will satisfy the inequality. So this is how we represent inequality using the Cartesian form. So then we bring our y is greater than or equal to 2. Right. So I'm sure these few examples has been of great help to you to understand how to represent inequality using number line and then using coordinate plane. Thanks so much for watching.